When was the first email sent? Correct answer is 1971. The first email was sent by Mr. Ray Tomlinson, computer engineer, in 1971. The first general purpose electronic computer in the world was. Correct answer is ENIAC, Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. In which year was the @ sign chosen for its use in email address? Correct answer is 1972. Which American computer company is called Big Blue? Nickname Big Blue. Correct answer is IBM. Who was the first to offer a definition of the term computer virus? Correct answer is Mr. Frederick Cohen. The accounting software Tally was developed by. TCS. Errors in computer programs are called bugs. Wi-Fi is the abbreviation for wireless fidelity. Computers on an internet are identified by IP address, Internet Protocol address. Computers cannot do anything without a program. Where microcode is mostly used. Correct answer is checks, banking checks. Unix, DOS, Windows are examples of operating system. C, C++, Java are the examples of programming languages. The term program refers to A sequence of instructions. What is the name given to the first generation computer languages? Correct answer is machine languages. What is blog? Correct answer is a personal or corporate website in the form of an online journal. The heart of any computer is the CPU, Central Processing Unit. Who is the grandfather of computer? Correct answer is Charles Babbage. Where was the India's first computer installed and when? Means in which year? Correct answer is Indian Statistical Institute, Kolkata in 1955. A saved document is referred to as a file. Please see shorts video also for books and authors section. Thank you for watching.